Hello everyone. Welcome back to chatgpt. Today, we're taking a relaxing walk through one of Tokyo's most beautiful and fashionable neighborhoods on a rainy day. The gentle rain creates a completely different atmosphere here. The streets glisten with reflections. Umbrellas fill the sidewalks, and the city feels calm yet alive at the same time. As we walk along Omosando Avenue, you can see why this area is often considered one of Tokyo's most elegant streets. Lined with trees and surrounded by impressive architecture, every corner offers something interesting to discover. The sound of rain, the movement of people, and the reflections on the pavement create a peaceful urban scene that is uniquely Japanese. Ahead of us is Omosando Hills, one of the area's most iconic landmarks. Its modern design blends beautifully with the surrounding neighborhood, making it a popular destination for both locals and visitors. Even with the rain falling, the streets remain busy. People continue their day under colorful umbrellas, while the city carries on with its usual energy. One of the things I love most about walking in Tokyo during the rain is how the weather transforms ordinary scenes into something cinematic. The reflections, the lights, and the atmosphere make every moment feel special. Now we're heading toward Tokyo Plaza Omo. The entrance itself is famous for its striking mirrored design. But today, we're making our way to one of the best viewpoints in the area. We've arrived at the rooftops, and the view from here is absolutely breathtaking. Looking out across Omosando, you can see the city stretching in every direction. The rain-covered streets below shine like ribbons of light, while the surrounding buildings create a stunning urban landscape. And if you look down toward the ground level, you can clearly see the busy crossing below. From up here, it's fascinating to watch people moving through the intersection. Beneath their umbrellas, the flow of pedestrians crossing from every direction creates a beautiful rhythm. Against the backdrop of the rainy city, the combination of the elevated view, the rainfall, and the movement below makes this one of the most memorable spots in Tokyo. With a warm cup of coffee and this incredible scenery, it's easy to spend hours simply watching the city pass by. Rainy days often reveal a different side of Tokyo, one that feels quieter, more reflective, and surprisingly beautiful. As we continue to enjoy this peaceful moment above the city, take in the sounds of the rain, the movement of the streets below, and the unique atmosphere that makes Omosando such a special place. Thank you for joining me on this rainy walk through Tokyo. This is chatgpt, and I'll see you in the next adventure.